Hello everyone, I hope you are enjoying your life. Now let's try to create this presentation. You see it has a great effect. Now let's try to create it. At first, we need to create it, but how we can create the effects? We need the real picture, we have it here, and we copy the picture, and from the formatting background, we put the picture here from the clipboard on. You can insert the picture. After inserting the picture, what we do, we go and set the transparency of picture correction. We set the sharpness to -100, and that's it. Now we have the real picture and the fake one. What we are going to do, we are going to reduce the size of the picture. How? We are going to use the crop option here. Press Ctrl to crop it both sides, and then Ctrl to crop it. Here it's a little tricky. You need to zoom in, because if you do something wrong, you do it wrong. And okay, after creating something like this, press enter. It looks like this. Then you need to add your text. Our text is here, just simply a London text. London text, we copy that. It's just a simple text and nothing more. After we copy this slide, you see we must apply it to all. Copy this slide and reduce it in size to this size is good, and then reduce it in size to this size. Then select both of them and bring them up a little more upper. Okay, it's good. Now we need to increase it in size. How we can do that? We go to crop and open it in size to here. Now we just a little, no, it's okay. Increase it in size. Okay, everything is okay. Now we need to add this thing. We just simply copy the text here. We copy the text, add a new slide. No, here we paste the text. We copy this slide. We bring the text here, but it's not look like I like it. What we do, we copy this picture, and after copying that picture, what we do, we go to picture format and crop it. Crop it to this size. And after that cropping, we crop it again to a shape. This shape, and go here to picture format and set the sharpness to -100 and the brightness to -36. Then we just simply need to bring the text to the front and send it to back. Now everything is okay. We just set the transition to morph. Let's see how it looks like. If you like this kind of a slide presentation, don't forget to like and subscribe, and ask me if you need any question in the comments. I will answer you. Have a nice time.